We usually get this question from students: what is chain rule and what's the connection between chain rule and algebra? Based on the theorem, if f of u is differentiable at point u, which is another function in x, like g of x, and g of x is differentiable at x, then you can compose these two functions and find the derivative easily. The composition of f on g, f of g, is f gx. When you're taking the derivative of this composition, it is f prime g times g prime at x. So the Leibniz notation says that if y is equal to f of u and u is equal to g of x, the differential of y with respect to x is the multiplication between the differential of y with respect to u times the differential of u with respect to x, where dy du is evaluated at u equals to g of x. Now let's go back to algebra. Suppose you have two functions, f is 3x minus 4 and g is x squared plus 6. We can find the composition of f and g. Based on the definition, f of g is f of gx. It means that wherever we see x, we're going to substitute that with gx. Since f of x is 3x minus 4, x is substituted by gx, but gx is quadratic function. So f of gx is f composed with g, or the substitution of g into f, 3 times gx minus 4, or 3 times x squared plus 6 minus 4, and the rest is just distributing 3 into parentheses and then simplify that. So the composition of these two functions gives us a new function, 3x squared plus 14. It's another operation. Now regarding the chain rule, an object moves along x-axis so that its position at any time is given by x of t equals to cosine t squared plus 1. Find the velocity of the object as a function of t. We're going to apply the chain rule. But how? We want to find the rate of change, right? What is the rate of change of x with respect to t? In this case, we are composing two functions. X is equal to cosine u, and u is a function of t. U is t squared plus 1. As you can see, they are composed together here. So to find the rate of change, dx du is negative sine u, du dt is 2t, and then dx dt is dx du times du dt, which is negative sine u times 2t, negative sine t squared plus 1 times 2t. Remember that since the function is in t, the final answer must be in t as well. So that's how we apply the chain rule.